How to add a product to wish list on Temu. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and make sure to get logged into your Temu account. Now you will see various products onto your homepage. Search for any item that you would like to purchase. In order to save the item that you would like, tap onto it and scroll below. Here you will see the option of save. Tap onto it. Now as it says that this product has been added to your wish list, let's go ahead and do the same for other products as well. The process is same. Tap onto the product, scroll below. Under product details, on your right side you will see save button. Just tap onto it, and once it's orange, it means this product has been added to the wish list. Let's go ahead and view our wish list. To do that, you have to tap on this U button. Then here you will see wish list. Tap onto it. It will show you all the products that you have added onto your wish list. In order to undo this, scroll below under product details, tap again the saved button, and this product has been removed. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.